Number 7. Squirrel. This animal's dogged persistence and impeccable memory have made it the nemesis of gardeners throughout its vast range. Most squirrels display a robust array of tricks and methods that help them survive. For starters, these clever creatures are essentially woodland animals that have adapted to living alongside humans, eating out of bird feeders, flower gardens and whatever food could be lying around. They're also ready to store and cache food for leaner times, then find their hidden morsels many months later. They'll also pretend to cover food so as to confuse potential thieves, which researchers believe shows a classy level of cunning and intellect. Number 6. Pig. Despite a reputation for gluttony and poor hygiene, pigs are literally extremely smart animals. Both domestic and wild species are known for his or her ability to adapt to a variety of various ecological conditions. They seem to be a minimum of as trainable as cats and dogs, and certain domestic pigs became a favorite pet within the U.S. Pigs are also extremely flexible. Unlike most other ungulates, which are strictly herbivorous, pigs and their relatives are omnivores with a diet that sometimes includes worms and tiny vertebrates. Where they need been introduced round the world, pigs tend to outcompete the native species. Though devastating to the native species, this trend is yet one more strong indication of pig cleverness. Number 5. Crow. Crossing the road against traffic could even be called jaywalking. But jays and other members of the crow family understand better than some humans the importance of expecting the sunshine to vary. Crows living in urban areas are known to gather nuts from trees then place them within the road for passing cars to crack open the shells. Then, after waiting patiently for the sunshine to vary, they return to the road to retrieve their nutty snack, a robust example of animal innovation. Crows also communicate in elaborate population-specific dialects and play games and tricks on each other. Some scientists even believe that crows are more intelligent than primates. Number 4. Elephant. Contrary to popular perception, elephants are quite just lumbering giants with big ears and an honest memory. In fact, elephants are quite elegant, cultured and curious. They have been known to wash their food and use tools in various ways within the wild, which they will also follow human commands in captivity. Elephants also are extremely caring and empathetic to other members of their group and to other species, which is taken into account a highly advanced quiet intelligence. Number 3. Orangutan. The great apes are considered the neatest creatures after humans. Of course, humans are biased during this regard, but the comprehension of the good apes is difficult to deny. Among them, orangutans stand out as being especially gifted within the brains department. They have a robust culture and system of communication, and far are observed to use tools within the wild. Orangutans sleep in widely scattered communities and form strong social bonds, which can be the key to their advanced cognitive skills. Females remain with their young for several years, teaching all of them they have to survive within the forest. Number 2. Dolphin. Have you ever wondered why dolphins and other cetaceans are the star attraction at the foremost aquariums? it's because they're smarter than almost the other creature on the planet. Dolphins are extremely social animals. Schools of dolphins are often observed within the world's oceans surfing, racing, leaping, spinning, whistling and otherwise enjoying themselves. They even have an aesthetic language, though humans have only begun to unravel it. Dolphins use tools in their natural environment and will learn a robust array of behavioral commands by human trainers. Like many of the foremost intelligent animals on Earth, dolphin females remain with their young for several years, teaching all of them the tricks of the dolphin trade. Number 1. Chimpanzee. Topping our list of smartest animals is another pongod, the chimpanzee.
Named Peter.
The impressive intellectual abilities of this animal have long fascinated humans. They're going to make and use tools, and collectively, and are capable of advanced problem solving. They're also ready to learn signing to speak with humans, and will remember the name sign for people they need not seen for several years. But perhaps the foremost amazing feature of the chimpanzee is its ability to use symbols for objects, and blend the symbols during a sequence to convey a sophisticated idea. Such intellectual gifts are probably central to maintaining this animal's complex social groups, where they form strong bonds and observe elaborate hierarchical arrangement.